All right, so this is the answer or question I want to answer. Does the MWR as WSBK filter or protect? And I don't know how much of this you can see, but this is what the inside of my filter looks like. This is what the air box looks like. This is what the air box looks like. And the part that's actually gets the clean air is actually pretty clean. I don't see a lot of sand in there or debris. And these are the MPT stacks. Now that I see them, I haven't completely decided if I'm going to take this out or just clean this up, and probably will put the seals back in or seals back on the ram air instead of what I have done now.